De Bukayo Saka, cuidado, cuidado, cuidado. Look how easy it is.
And then you give them extra because they've been rinsed.
Oh. Yes!
I did say Jude Bellingham. The first moment of quality from Bukayo Saka, and he delivers an assist.
Beautiful.
That's what he can do, man.
Go on, Jude.
That's what he can
Slowed
do.
it down, sped it up, Bellingham.
They keep talking on you, Jude.
Jude Bellingham is clutch, man.
They keep
honestly.
talking on him, man.
He may be clunky, but he delivers, bro. This guy's got cojones.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, he's got cojones. I love that.
I love it.
I love that.
He delivers,
He's
man.
got cojones, man.
Absolutely.
Got cojones. He stands
you
up.
can't teach that.
Gallardo se mete al área, centro, gol de Bellingham. Puta madre. Puta madre. No compro nada. Chingado. Está bien, primera situación adversa para México, primer gol del Tala. Ahí está, gol de Bellingham.
Cross comes in, lovely cross, and again! 1-0 England! Brilliant from Saka. That's what Saka could do. And Bellingham was in the box. Right place, right time. But that's brilliant from Saka. Brilliant, man. Brilliant. Out of nothing, Saka went at him, took his man on, right foot, bang. 1-0 England. Jude Bellingham, man, quality, 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 quality.
Bukayo Saka, KO! Bellingham is coming on.
What a ball from Saka. Jude Bellingham heads it in. Wow, there you go, Bukayo. All comes from Declan Rice's run.
No.
Oh, go on.
It.
Go on, please.
It's a big chance for England.
Yeah!
Yeah! Go on! Again. Jude again.
You know what?
Man.
I'm happy. I'm happy for him. I'm happy for him.
2
Can I
minutes,
talk on
2
Kane?
goals.
Fucking brilliant.
I mean,
That is absolutely outstanding.
It was a good cut back.
Outstanding.
Lovely.
I thought he was going to shoot Kane. I thought he was
Lovely.
going to shoot. Was it a scuff shot?
No, come on, man. It's a pass. Be serious.
Absolutely brilliant.
Lovely. And
What an insane couple
All
of
this
minutes.
altitude hype. Man.
Altitude
Come on,
hype.
man. Altitude hype, bro.
Bellingham toca con Hurricane. Hurricane
Que
tiro,
remate,
Bellingham,
tiro, Bellingham,
gol.
Gol. 2-0.
No mames. No mames.
Oh, they're in here again. Harry Kane, finish it. Kane, yes! 2-0! Oh my God! It's 2-0 England! Jude Bellingham! Oh my days! England are 2-0 up in a matter of minutes. In a matter of a minute. Brilliant, England. Wow. Mexico are stunned. Mexico are stunned. 2-0 England. Wow.
어? 진짜로? 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 와! 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 What the fuck? Holy shit! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hey, Jude. Holy shit, Bellingham! What the fuck? No, 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 no.
Ojo, 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 le queda mal parado México, queda mal parado, viene Harry Kane.
Perdió la pelota Gilberto Mora. A la hora de querer seguir jugando, se equivoca Mora.
Pero es que estás haciendo un partido perfecto, hermano. Estás haciendo un partido perfecto y vienes a regalar 2 goles y luego al pendejo de Bellingham que no estaba dando 2 pases seguidos.
Jude! 2-0! Jude Bellingham! I told man about Jude. The unnecessary hate is crazy, bro. This guy's mad. England player at Real Madrid. 2-0 to England. Jude Bellingham. Wow. They got to put respect on his name. They've cooked him on the counter-attack again. Wow. Destroyed.
You can tell the crowd's stunned.
Oh yeah.
It's not done yet, Tones. 2-1. Ball in. Second ball down.
Oh,
Lashed into the back of the net. I told you it ain't over, bro.
It ain't done yet.
It's too early to say over. 2-1.
England will win this.
They should win it, bro. But
England will win this.
He's double downing.
Double downing, yeah. Yeah, they'll win it.
Oh my days.
Viene servicio Alvarado. Atención, 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 atención. ¡Gol! 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 ¡Vamos! 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 ¡Gol! Acá está, papá. Acá está México. Se respeta, se respeta. México se respeta, papá. Era una injusticia total que Inglaterra fuera ganando 2-0. Amigos, estaban encerrados atrás. No daban 2 pases seguidos y en 2 ráfagas. En 2 ráfagas.
Cross comes in. Oh, Grandios 2-1. Oh my God, it's 2-1. The game's not done. It's not over. Wow, what a game. It ain't over. Kyrgios, who's been informed this World Cup, has made it 2-1. I don't think that was a foul, you know, chat. Was that really a foul by Saka? Was that really a foul? But it goes in the air. There's a lot of commotion going on, and Kyrgios is ready. Is it offside? No, it's not offside.
¡Yeah, vamos! ¡Vamos! ¡Vamos! ¡Vamos, México! ¡Vamos! 좋댔다 이거 씨. ¡Vamos, México! ¡Vamos, México! ¡Vamos! I told ya it's not over yet.
Viene el Piojo centro. ¡Uy! ¡Remate! ¡Gol! ¡Mames! Bien, cabrón. ¡Qué buena, cabrón! Se amontonaron todos y la ganó ese cabrón. Perfecto. Bien. ¡Vamos! Vamos, va, puta madre. Y los goles de la segunda mitad ya valieron madre. ¿Ya le metiste? 200. Y da 700. Vamos, puto Quiñones.
there you go.
Shit.
Kwanzaa has been sent off for England. 53 minutes on the clock.
And their right back problems go from bad to worse. Shit. Nah. This has now become a get it out of the mud performance for England. It's a nasty challenge.
¡Vamos! ¡Vamos! ¡Te vas a la verga! ¡Te vas a la verga! ¡Te vas a la verga! ¡Te vas a la verga, Kwanzaa! ¡Te vas a la verga, papi!
Red card is off. He's off. Oh my God. 10 men. Shocking tackle. Shocking tackle, man. You can't complain. Wow. It's a shocking tackle. You can't really complain.
됐다, 와. 환사야! 아.
Red card, roja.
Sí, a huevo.
Roja para...
Cuando confirmas la tarjeta roja no te tardes nada. Chingó a su madre el número 26, que la verdad estaba dando buen partido. Kwanzaa era el que le ganaba a todos. Ya se fue a chingar a su madre. Gracias a Dios.
Ahora sí se puede venir la noche a Inglaterra.
There you go, red card for Kwanzaa. Wow. I think England, they love a red card, don't they? What kind of a tackle is that, bro? That's what you call lack of experience. I honestly don't think Thomas Tuchel can get more calmer for leaving Trent out.
Up in big games, all this bullshit discourse.
Wow!
Penalty from
Come on!
Boy!
Expert!
That's what we like to see!
Expert!
That's what we like to see, baby!
Come on!
Come on!
King Kane! Come on!
This second
Come on! You know what? I'm happy I stayed up for this. This is a classic.
Same.
This is a classic.
Brilliant game.
King Kane. That penalty, quality.
Bro.
Yeah, keeper gets that way, but there's no saving that.
Absolutely stuffed it.
Absolutely dispatched. That's what you need.
Viene penal, viene Harry Kane. Viene Harry Kane. Mira el disparo que da Harry Kane, amigo. De milagro no rompe la red. Claro, es que no puedes fallar así, hermano. Jorge Sánchez, el pendejo de Edson Álvarez.
In the right direction to the quarterfinals. Harry Kane! Yes! Come on, Harry Kane! Big goal! Big goal. They're getting thrown stuff at. They're getting thrown stuff out here. They've got to get out of that. They've got to get out of that. They've got to get out of that area. Get out of the area. Get out of the area. 3-1. Harry Kane is one of our own. Come on. Kane.
Harry Kane! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Gordon Menu! Wow! Harry Kane!
Viene Harry Kane. Tiro, nada,
Gol. Gol de Harry Kane. Bien, ni modo. Ánimo. Puta madre, güey.
Gutted run-ups, no messing about. Harry Kane scores. What a penalty. The goalkeeper goes the right way. 3-1. Harold. 3-1 to England. Yo, they're getting drinks thrown on them and everything. Maybe get out of that corner. 3-1 to England. Great penalty. Goalkeeper goes the right way as well. He can't.
Jimenez Pickford.
Oh, lucky.
Great penalty. Great penalty. Different to Kane's. Still back of the net. 3-2. Pickford. Wasting time. Might as well allow it. Mexico.
Viene Raúl Jiménez, viene de penal. Viene Raúl Alonso. Viene Jiménez. ¡Gol! ¡Gol! Vamos por el tercero. ¡Gol! ¡Gol! Claro. Acá Raúl.
Jimenez, a long run up though. Pickford, come on, bro. Pickford. Oh, what a penalty. What a penalty that is. What a penalty this is. This is sensational. This is how to take a little jockey with perfection. Bruno Guimaraes This is how you take it with a little bit of a stutter. Wow. The guy took a stutter to this. Look at this penalty.
Ah, vamos! Vamos, México! Vamos! Vamos! Vamos, vamos! Hermano Coreano México! Yeah, Pickford is so bad at penalty.
¡Vamos! Mis respetos, vamos, puta madre.
¡Vamos! El Chicharito se puede ir a chingar a su madre, ahora sí, hijos de su puta madre.
Mis respetos, gracias.
Bien, bien, Raúl Jiménez, bien.
Es la mentalidad que no tuvo García Aspe en el 94.
Begins his run up, stutters twice. Oh, it goes the right way, but he can't get there. Bro, I swear, Raúl Jiménez looks like a top quality striker. I think he's just been released by Fulham 3-2. Man said the cartel made the call. Then man said, yo, don't play, you know. You better give that penalty. 3-2. We are watching a hell of a game. This game's on again. Wow, what a game. England are in trouble now.